Good morning. I have a new designer and an unboxing for us today. I'm excited. This company has a very good story. Their name is a little bit tough to pronounce. I'm guessing it's Alexan Pranic, but OLPR is the easier abbreviation, and that is also the name of their website. So they have an interesting story, and while I tell it to you, we're going to start unboxing. So their story is that they are from the Ukraine and started crafting these bags, and they would ship internationally and ship obviously to America as well. And it wasn't working out because the ship time to America was a month long. And you guys know how impatient we are about getting our bags. So they moved to North Carolina and started doing their craft there. And so now we get to enjoy their products a whole lot faster. And it's funny because it started when I think it was their brother-in-law, Viktor, was really particular about the seams on clothing, on bags, etc. And so he would always check the seams, and then one day he made a wallet with the perfect seams and exactly how he wanted it. And from that, OLPR was born. Da-da-da! So I'm not sure if you can see, but what I got a Dopp kit, and it's kind of funny. I got a Dopp kit because it never made sense to me. I feel like, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I'm gonna stop talking for a minute so I can show it to you. Got it first before I. It's absolutely beautiful, first of all, and you can get it engraved with up to 3 initials for no cost, and I did. And let me just do this. So I got a Dopp kit because, you guys, this is absolutely beautiful. So I'm like taken aback because here I am doing a video and I can't even talk to you guys because it's really, really pretty. So let me just tell you a little bit about them. They get their product from the legendary Horween tannery. It is full grain leather, and it's made to come in this sort of vintage look, pre-distressed is how I would say it. So when it comes, it already has that sort of loved-in look, but it will continue to patina. What's really nice about this Dopp kit, one is just the general size, 2 that it's got these pull tabs here, 3 that you can opt to get it with the handle, which I did, and obviously the personalization for no additional cost is nice. I will say one thing that I really like is that it's handcrafted. So this isn't sitting on a shelf and you order it and it shows up at your door 3 days later. No, you order it, they start making it, and 2 weeks later it comes to you. So there's just there's a personal touch there because that bag was made just for you. It is full grain leather. And it's funny, I wanted this. Look at this back, first of all. And hopefully you can see all of that amazing pull-up. And I wanted a Dopp kit because I always thought it was so funny that women, we have so many toiletries. I guess I should speak for myself so I don't offend anyone, but I have a lot of toiletries, especially when I travel, and even just generically sort of sitting out all over my counter. And it never made sense to me that we, as women who have this product, have a very small cosmetic bag with a very narrow base, right? So one, we can't put a lot of stuff in there, and when we do put stuff in there, it's apt to topple because the base is so tiny. And I thought, why do men get to enjoy a Dopp kit that's squared off with a generous base and can fit all their stuff? I want a Dopp kit. So this is what I got. That was the reasoning behind it. I cannot say enough about my first impressions of the leather. They're A+. They're doing their thing, handcrafted, made to order. I'm going to use this for a little bit. I might even go away on a trip, a short overnight or something, to really get the full experience of the Dopp kit for you. I'm sure my husband's going to really enjoy that. My leathering has branched out into us needing to take mini vacations. But who doesn't need a mini vacation, right? It's so nice to go away for the weekend. Anyways, this thing meant to last a lifetime, so I didn't get my initials on there as a testimony to their product. I got my daughter's because this thing is still going to be around when she's ready for her own Dopp kit. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, OLPR. I'll be back soon with a full review. Take care.